Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about this. Okay, this product I used it like a month ago, and that time I was not pregnant. That means it must be last year. So that's why you can see the tube looks very good. It's from last year. So I just kept it just in case if I do something again. So in this video we are going to talk about sunburn. I know many of us do struggle with that, mainly light skin babes, or if you're using harsh products. Here's what happens. If you're using harsh products and you expose yourself to the sunlight, and the sun damages your skin, more especially if you're bleaching and you're not using sunscreen. Babes, if you're bleaching, you have to use sunscreen. That's mandatory. Like, you have to use sunscreen. So that said, this product is Melanofree. I know like here it's hard to find here in Malawi, but I'm sure in other countries it's not. So this product is harsh. Use it on the targeted area. If you use this over your face, over your body, babes, you're going to burn your skin. That's the truth about it. This, you're going to burn your skin like burn. If your skin was like, you didn't feel like your skin was fine, this will worsen your skin, this will irritate your skin, this will harsh your skin. So what you have to do is this is harsh for your skin, so it's what you should do. You do your protective layer. As for me, if you have watched my past videos, I like Vaseline, so I use Vaseline. So I would put the Vaseline over my face and put this on the targeted area, not the whole face. Please get that right, because this product is very powerful. Here it contains hydroquinone. We all know hydroquinone is used for bleaching. So if something is used for bleaching, and that means it's powerful, that thing is just powerful. So there's hydroquinone and there's tretinoin. So imagine mixing tretinoin and hydroquinone in one product. That means this product is powerful. Tretinoin on its own, it's very powerful. So imagine combining tretinoin and hydroquinone. So these two products, elements, I'm sure they're not meant to be in one product, but this product is the quickest way of removing your hyperpigmentation, like your sunburn. So this is the quickest product. That said, but this is not for everyone. If you know you can't take yourself, you try after you see that the hyperpigmentation or the sunburn is gone, you start using on your face, then just leave it, because don't be tempted. Don't have temptations. But this, just use on the targeted area. So if you're still watching this video, please like, share and subscribe. That will help this channel grow, and I appreciate that. So that being said, this you should not use in the morning, because with the hydroquinone and hydroquinone and tretinoin added on one tube, you can't use this and then go on the sun. That means you will hurt yourself. What you have to do is use this at night. It's safer at night than using it any day. So after using it, here is how you're gonna apply it on your routine. You take your Vaseline. That's just an example of the mascara. You take your Vaseline, and then next you get your your tube, and then you go apply on the targeted area. After that, there are two things. It's either you just wash your face without using any, please give me correct here, without using any product, any soap. Just wipe your face. Make sure your face is clean, and then you go in with your moisturizer and then apply this, and then you can add even another layer for moisturizer because this needs a cover up. So this, if you use it twice in a day, even twice in a week, even twice or maybe once in a week, it will be very effective. By the end of the month, you will see a change. Please, you can come back on this channel and tell me it worked, because this, baby, it's going to work. So what you have to do, first of all, is research if you can handle it. But as for me, it really worked very good. Removed the hyperpigmentation, removed the sunburn. Trust me, this product is tea. It's going to work. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.